Oh my god, you clicked on this? That's crazy. Quick little thing before the video starts. I'm not a good YouTuber, so throughout this unboxing, I have been hitting the box on my desk, and I have a very unsteady way of setting up a camera to film. So unfortunately, you'll hear a bunch of just like the camera falling. It's not falling, don't worry, but something to be aware of. This might not be the most satisfying unboxing. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go though. Thanks. Hey, what is up, people? Welcome to my first unboxing ever. I have no idea why I'm doing this, but I'm doing it. So look, I have a box. Aren't you excited to see what's inside? I'm sure you already know what's inside, but that's all right. I'm gonna show you anyways. Okay, I have some scissors. Let's just get to it. I don't know, man. I got this on Black Friday with $80 off. This is the 6th generation iPad with 32 gigabytes of storage. It's just the Wi-Fi one. So basically, it is the cheapest iPad that you could buy. Well, that's the newest generation, of course. And yeah, $80 off. It was $249. So, you know, thanks Walmart. Thanks for that. Love that for us. Thanks for doing that. It's gonna take me a second. I don't order a lot of things, so I don't really open boxes. But hey, look, I'm cutting it just so you can see that. I don't know. I'll try to get some other shots of this when I get to the actual Apple box. But for now, you just get to hear me struggle cutting through this. I don't know. We'll see, okay? Hopefully I know how to open this. Oop! I don't want you to see that. That's okay. Probably just like my address and stuff. Oop! I know people on YouTube hide that, so I'm gonna hide it too. Alright. Ooh! That's nice, isn't it? Perfect. Look, I have a box here. Beautiful. Ooh! Lots of good stuff right here. Love that. Here it is. Oh! This is so beautiful. Look. Oh, it's an iPad box. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's so exciting. It smells like a packaging. I've heard that Apple products have a specific smell to them. I don't know. We'll see once I open the box. Let me show you. So you guys couldn't tell by now, I did get the gold. And like I said, it is just 32 gigabytes and Wi-Fi. So this is exciting. This is my first ever iPad. So I'm very excited about that. Let me get my scissors again. I don't know. Do I need scissors? Oh, the packaging is not perfect. How dare they? I mean, I did get $80 off, so not expecting the packaging to be as beautiful as it possibly could be. But hey, how do YouTubers open this normally? Maybe we start from the bottom? That seems incredibly unsatisfying to you. I'm sorry. Let's not do that. So, oop. This is going to take me a while. I don't want to mess up. I don't know. How do YouTubers open iPads? I don't really know. But yeah. I've been waiting for this iPad for a while. Let's not cut myself if I could. Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, that's nice. That's cool. I think that's enough for me to peel it. Which is really the amazing part, isn't it? That's nice. Ooh. It's a nice little matte box. Ooh. Fun stuff here. I wonder if we're gonna see the iPad first. I wonder if that's gonna be the first thing that I see. Might be some paperwork. Oop. Let's try to open this without getting everything everywhere. Ooh. Look at it. There it is. Ooh. That's beautiful. Look at it. Oh, this is my own iPad. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful moment that you're witnessing right now. Look at that. Touch ID. I used to use my dad's iPad. It was an iPad Air. No Touch ID. But yeah, this is an unboxing. I'm gonna... You know, most YouTubers would save this for the end, but I'm gonna show this to you right now. I'm gonna peel off the... Look at how beautiful the color is. It's beautiful. Oop. I'm gonna put it... You know, I actually don't really know what I'm doing, and that's okay. That's so satisfying. Oh, That's like, I'd pay for that. Just to get that lovely, lovely experience. Oh, can't believe I have this. This is so good. This is like such a good value for an iPad too. It's just so beautiful. Look at the color. Look at that. The Apple logo in gold. It's just so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Ugh. So yeah, there's also the rest of the box. Does this come with Apple stickers? It might come with Apple stickers. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not sure. So we're gonna check this out. Welcome to iPad, just like quick start guide, touch ID. What is that? Battery, safety, I don't, Look, it's the Apple stickers. Yay. You can never have too many of those. And is that it? I think that's it. Okay, cool. Look at that, it's a lightning cable. Thank God. I mean, what am I gonna do without that? Not charge my iPad? Oh yes. Look, a little charging block. Thanks for that. I'm pretty sure these are the ones you can use an adapter on. Look, this also gets to give you that lovely peel experience. That's good. Never have too many of these. Oop. Where am I supposed to peel this from? Apple's packaging can be a little complicated sometimes for us people that only get new Apple products like every 5 years. Oop. From here. Oh Lord. I love being a good YouTuber. But yeah, look. So I think you can get an extension cable from here or for it. You know, that's not something that I can advise you on, but I think that might be a possibility. So yeah, that's everything that's in here. That's the whole thing. I'm gonna give you a nice good look at this iPad once again because look at how beautiful. Oh, yeah. So that's pretty much it for what was in the package. I'm supposed to get the Apple Pencil later. I might open that on camera. It's gonna be like a 2-minute video, but you know, if you want to see that, that's fine. Yeah, you can go do whatever you want now. Totally buy this iPad. Might still be able to find it with some Black Friday deals, maybe Cyber Monday. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you actually sat through that, thanks for that. This is my first unboxing. Thanks. Oh, love that shadow on my face. Well, I'm a good YouTuber. Thanks.